Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that lovely little town of Belfair, Washington, Hickville, USA, I believe it is. So welcome to my channel, everybody. This is October 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 16. Yes, we are getting up there. So this is going to be a really quick one. By the way, this is the kit. It's called Cozy Christmas October 2025. She could have made 3, 3, 3, and then the 9 envelopes, which you can cut up and use, which I'm excited to get into more of those as well. So this one right here, this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. This is a visual of everything in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors, videos 1 through 5. I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just kind of move along. This one over here would lead you to this set of 6 dies called the Abundant Joy dies. They will coordinate with October, November, and December's Paper Pumpkin kit. Feel free to use them for anything and everything your heart desires. I sure do, of course. And then we have Merry Christmas, Joy to the World, Deck the Halls, and the 2 stars. We are going to be using the Merry Christmas. That means I need something for the inside. And I'm going to use one of my stash stamps that I have. And this is how quick this one's going to be. So we have a white card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Layer number 1 is 1/2 of one of the card bases, the red one from the kit. This is 4 1/4 by 5.5. Now here I have, yes, some non-Stampin' Up! DSP, but some DSP from my stash. And this is some ornament DSP. You may have something similar to this. Now layer number 2 is 3 3/4 by 5, and that's so we have that really nice border right there. But we are going to zhoosh this up just a wee bit with some ribbon, and we're using some ribbon from the dollar store. Now I am going to make it go around this piece here, so we're going to go, we need to see, we have a look-see, right? Because we're using the Merry Christmas from the kit as well. I don't want to do it in the middle. I want to do it right here, which is about, yes, about 3/4 of an inch. So I'm just going to use some thin tear tape here. And I am going to put a piece 3/4 of an inch. We're going to put some so it goes well over. That's on the 3/4 of an inch line. I'm going to lay it over that side. I've got a whole bunch on that end. Give it a little rub down. And over the front as well. I'm just going to take my ribbon, start it off there, go all the way around the front. Oops, try to get it straight, right? A little bit of sparkle. It is the season of sparkle after all. It's Christmas festivities. Sparkle and shine. It's Christmas time. There we go. So that's how simple that is. Now we're going to glue this down to the card base. Hopefully, trying to get, if there's anything left in this bottle, tap, tap. All right, card base. Now there is this little piece here that was cut off as well. We can put that on the inside after we do a little stamping in there, because I'm going to use that. I think we can, I don't know. I was going to put that in the bottom here like so. You know what? We're going to say no. we're going to stamp. I'd rather stamp. I'd rather be happy and stamp in Garden Green, because I think this would match really well. So I'm just going to, this is just an old border stamp that I got at a thrift store for like $1.25, I think it was. It was in a bin of mixed stamps. I'm pretty sure it's Stampin' Up, but I could be wrong. We're going to stamp on the back, and then I'm going to stamp off again and stamp here on my envelope. And that will conclude our Garden Green for today's event, right? All right. Then I'm going to take some real red, and we're going to stamp Deck the Halls, because, come on, is that not decking the halls if you had all those ornaments everywhere? I think so. So we're going to go Deck the Halls here. I'm going to clean that off. It has some pecan pie on it, on the block. And that's our envelope. Now for the inside, I'm just going to use this one that says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas," from my stash. Very nice. And now we have to stamp that Merry Christmas. Now this will be the first time I am doing this on this little paper. So let's, sentiment strip paper that they gave us. Let's hope I get to do it really well. Ink it up really good. Now I'm just going to set it here for a minute. That's it. I'm going to keep my hand on it. Well, don't even need to do that. Put that up and away. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so we have Merry Christmas that needs to be cleaned. And then I'm using, some of these are from the Magical Meadow Dies, right? And we're going to use that little bit of greenery to accent our Merry Christmas here. So we're going to put little branch, not sure if we want to go this way, and one going this way, but now it might be two. Let's see, this one, I think that will do it. Just a little bit of greenery. Or do I want to make them like this here? And I think I like that better. I think I like that orientation better. Oh, that's good. Okay, so I know that this is way too much. And this here can cut that off. Little surgery never hurt anything there. And I'm going to go ahead and add a tad bit. This glue bottle needs to go in the garbage. Okay, it's done. Yay! Successfully used up that bottle of Tombow. I'm going to add a little bit of glue here. I have to make sure that actually stays on my on the card base here. That's what I'm trying to spit out. Apparently I cannot get it out of there. Okay, this one is going to come this way. I really like that. Oh, I'm doing it differently. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. So much for the other way, right? Yeah, I'm not liking that. I think this one, I think we're going to do it that way. And this one, yes. And it's sticking out there, so don't get too close. That one's good. This one needs to be moved a bit. All right, there we have it. And let's, do I want to use a bump up piece and put it on there? Or it's going on this glitter, so it's going to have to go on tear tape. I think we're just going to fold this little piece over like so. And this will lift it up enough. So I'm going to glue this together. You can feel free to put it on dimensionals. I just happen to know that this is going to be just enough. I just have a feeling. So lots of glue on this piece. Make sure it stays on here. All right. Then don't need to leave that open any longer. Some tear tape. And a wee little bit of the skinny stuff. And then I am so excited to post this one. Quick, easy. We're going to use some of those red adhesive back sequins. Oh, why can't they just make it simple, right? So there's our Merry Christmas. Is that not, I mean, that's a Christmas card, right? It's that simple here. So we're going to add some wee little ones. I think we're going to put one here, one here, and I think we could probably do a large one. I'm thinking over here, right there. So there we have it. Merry Christmas. That's quick, that's simple. I can go and I can wink a Stella everything if I want to, but I'm really happy with this just the way it is. I want to keep it really simple. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys like this one. And more than that, I just hope you come back and see me here in my stamp room. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye-bye for now, everyone.